Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable automatic updates for the Facebook app directly from its own settings. This method is quick, easy, and ensures your app stays up to date without you having to check manually. If you want the latest features and security improvements automatically, this setting is a must. Let's get right into it. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right. This will open the settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Media. Scroll down again and tap on App Updates. Now simply toggle on the option that says Auto Update Facebook. And that's it. Facebook will now automatically update whenever a new version is available. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.